friends, welcome back to Calendar Math for today. Let's get started with our calendar. Now we went through the weekend. We had Saturday the 9th and Sunday the 10th, Mother's Day. I hope you took care of your mother on Mother's Day and did something super special for her. And then we have today. Ooh, let's move our clip to today. And let's go ahead and say our date for today. Today is May 11th, 2020. Good job. If we look above the 11, we see it is Monday. Yes, today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. Excellent work. So Blair has our straws here for us to show us how many days we've been in school. As of Friday, we were in school for 166 days. If I add our new straw into the ones column, we no longer have 6 in there. There were 6 on Friday. I just added another one. Now how many are in the ones column? 7. That is correct. Read that number to me. How many days have we been in school? 167 days. Good job. What does the number 167 mean? Yes, it means one group of 100, 6 groups of 10, and 7 ones. Fantastic. Let's count them. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 161, whoops, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167. Excellent. So how do I build the number 167 with my base 10 blocks? Yes, I need one 100 flat. I need 6 10s. I gotta grab those all with one hand. One 100 flat, 6 10s, and I think I can pinch it. I did it earlier. 7 ones. There we go. Whoop! There they went. Ones are gone. 167. Now I threw my 100. Whoop! I'm gonna have a mess to clean up. We've been in school for 167 days. Let's write the number 167. So we start with our 1 going straight down for the hundreds place, our 6 10s down and around, and our 7 ones across and down at a diagonal. 167 days of school. Check your numbers, make sure nothing's backwards. Good job. All right, Blair, I will take that. Well, you might have noticed on our table here, we're sitting at a little different angle today, because on our table here, we've got a bunch of things that I went and found from inside my house. Some I got from the garage, some I got from the kitchen, some I got from the bedroom, all kinds of things. Some I got from Blair's room, some I got from the game closet. I just found things all over the house. We are going to review our 3D shapes today. The real life 3D shapes, because those seem to be the hardest sometimes, really recognizing what shape is that real life item. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a close-up look at all the different things I brought from my house. So Blair, get us started with something yummy to eat over there.
Orange.
Oh, Blair has an orange over there. Fantastic. And next to the orange, we have cornstarch. Here's the cornstarch. We might use it to do some fun science things, or we might use it to thicken our food and make it good. What else fun do you have over there, Blair?
I have a Rubik's Cube.
Ooh, a Rubik's Cube. Blair, did you solve that Rubik's Cube? They're all the same color. Ooh, she solved it. Fantastic. Right here, I've got some icebreakers, some mint icebreakers right here. This one might be the trickiest. What other fun item do you have right down there in the front, Blair?
I have a game dice.
Ooh, and when we have one of them, yep, good job, it's called a die. If we have more than one, it's a dice. They are dice. If we have just one, it is a die. Fantastic. Ooh, I have my favorite Burt Bees Honey Chapstick here. One of my friends got me for Christmas. It's wonderful. I love it. And, oh, one of my favorite yummy snacks, my popcorn. Nobody's allowed to touch my popcorn. This is my kind. Here's my popcorn that I have. Blair, what fun item do you have back there?
We have a kickball.
Ooh, a big fun kickball back there. And then right here, ooh, when we're playing our sports outside, we like to use these for our bases. Now, ours doesn't come all the way to a point, but I think you'll recognize what this may be. And then back here, oh my goodness, I got this out of the garage. Oh, it's my husband's and it's super heavy. Here we go. This is a big battery. It's a long life rechargeable battery. I can't even tell you what he uses it for. No clue. But I thought, oh, that makes a wonderful 3D shape. I'm going to take that in the house. So we have that here. So now that I've introduced everything that I pulled out of the house for us to look at, I want us to group them into groups that are the same shape. So Blair, let's start with that orange over there again. Can you hold that up for me? Boys and girls, I would like you to tell me what 3D shape is that orange? Ooh, don't get it mixed up. What is it again? Oh, good job. And remember that PH says the sound. It is a sphere. Good job. It is a sphere. Was there another item over here that was also a sphere that would go with it? You're right, Blair. What did they say it was? The kickball. Go ahead and put those two items together. I'll move everything else over a little bit. We're going to put those two items together. They are both spheres. Fantastic. Those two items are together. I love it. Let's go for our cornstarch now. Here's our cornstarch. I'm going to show you the top. I'm going to show you the bottom and all the way around. What 3D shape is my can of cornstarch? What was that again? Oh, really? A cylinder? What's special about a cylinder? Really? It has a circle on the top and the bottom, and then it has a face that goes so it has a circle, circle face, and then this face that goes around. That is amazing. So I have a cornstarch. That is a cylinder. I'm going to put this here. Did you see any other cylinders over here that would go with it? You did. What did you see? Oh, Blair, what's that other cylinder sitting there that can go with my cornstarch?
I see chapstick.
Oh, did you say the chapstick? You're right. It's smaller, it's more narrow, not as wide, but it's still a cylinder. Circle face, goes around. I love it. Now, this one might trick you. There's another cylinder over there. Did you see the other cylinder? These usually trick my friends. They don't see them as easily. Did you see it? You did? What was it? Oh, the icebreakers mints. A lot of times this tricks my friends because it's not a very tall cylinder, but it's still a cylinder even if it's short because look what this face is. A circle, and look what this face is. A circle, and it still goes around. Yes, it does. It's just not very tall like these two cylinders are kind of tall cylinders. This one's very short, but it's still a cylinder. What if I turn it this way? What shape is it now? What? It's still a cylinder even though it's that way? Oh my goodness, you're right. What if I take my chapstick and I turn it that way? What shape is it now? It's still a cylinder. It doesn't matter if it's standing up and down or it's on its side and can roll. That's one of the awesome things that cylinders can do. It's still a cylinder. That's right. All right, Blair, grab your fun item that you like to play with sometimes, and you turned it correct. Oh, there we go right there. We're not going to say its name again because its name gives its shape away. So you tell me, what 3D shape is this one? This is the hardest 3D shape to find around the house. I searched everywhere. You're right, it's a cube. What other item do you see sitting over here that we can put with it that is also a cube? Oh, I heard that one yelled out right away. You're right. The die is also a cube. That's exactly right. There it is right there. So here's why the cube is the hardest. Every face on the cube has to be what shape for it to be a cube? If you said square, you were right. Every face has to be a square. We can't have a rectangle on one side because then it's not a cube anymore, because cubes have to have all of them square. So all the sides are the same length when we look at it, which these sides then turn into edges. All the edges are the same length on the whole thing. Cubes were the hardest to find. I searched and searched my house for these cubes. Oh my goodness, I finally found these two items. That's all. The Rubik's Cube and the die. That was all I was able to find. All right, go ahead and set those down, Blair. We're going to put those together. Oh, I realized I left one of my items inside on the kitchen table. Oh, well, too late now. So, what other? We have 3 items left. Boom, boom, boom. 2 of them go together, 1 does not. Let's start with the one that does not. What shape is over there that does not go with the other 2? Yeah. What did you call this shape again? The cone. The cone only has one circle face, this down here, and then it comes to a point. My cone doesn't close, this is the only cone I had. It doesn't close all the way to a point, but we're gonna imagine it does. Can you imagine that with me? Okay, thank you, thank you. Kind of looks like a volcano that erupted, huh? But it's not. It's just a cone. It just doesn't have the tippy top on it. So the cone has one circle face, and the other side comes to a point. Fantastic. So I have a cone, 1 cone item. Okay. So the other 2 items that you said go together, this one, this super heavy one. Oh my goodness. Here it is. What shape? This was one of those super hard ones. Wait, here, Blair, you hold the popcorn because I need 2 hands for this. What shape are these 2 items? This is one of our trickier ones we learned later in the year. They are rectangular prisms. That's exactly right. If you said a rectangular prism, you're right, because its faces have rectangles. Look at all those rectangles they have. Its faces have rectangles. Now, you know what? There was a reason I got that other one that I left on my kitchen table. Blair's going to keep you busy while I go grab it. Blair, I want you, I'm going to put this one down because it's heavy. While I am gone, I want you to count with them. How many faces does that rectangular prism have? Okay, thank you.
Alright then, let's start with the front. So this is our very first face. So we have 1 face here. Then on the other side, we have the exact same shape. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces.
Oh my goodness, that's exactly what a rectangular prism has. Now, I wanted to go get my tissue box as well. That's the thing I forgot to bring out with me, because I want you to see this tissue box is also a rectangular prism, no matter which way it is, because this is a rectangle. We have 2 longer sides, 2 shorter sides. These are rectangles, but my top and bottom are actually squares. And sometimes my friends get confused and they call these cubes because they see this square face. But if there's 1 rectangle on it, that means, and if there's 1, there's going to be 2, because that's just how rectangular prisms work. But if there's at least 1 rectangle on it, it's a rectangular prism. To be a cube, they all have to be squares. All the faces have to be squares. This is a rectangular prism. Even though it has a square face, it has a square face on the bottom, and on the top, there's a square face, but my other sides are rectangular. So this is a rectangular prism as well. So I'm going to put it here with my other rectangular prisms. So we have them all grouped as shapes that they are the same. I love it. That's fantastic. Here's your job today. You have to try to find things around your house. Get them in groups for me too. Snap a picture and send it to me. I want to see. Or you might want to even do a video so that you can talk to me about the names of the shapes, because I want to see your cylinders and your spheres and your cubes and your rectangular prisms and your cones. Which ones do you find around your house? And I want you to tell me the names of those shapes. I don't want to hear any of those confusions that we had at the beginning of the year. Let's get them right. Let's do those 3D shapes around your house. Go find them, snap a picture or video, send it to me. Have fun. Bye.